Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm feeling like a kid in the Christmas morning. I know what's inside because I ordered them from Amazon. There are some wind deflectors for a Toyota Prius and they cost $28.99, so £29. They're made in Korea, I think South Korea. I think so. They're made by autoclover.com. This is not a paid episode, so they were bought on my money. The package came like this. They are very nice packed. On the box you can see there are some installation instructions, and they come with an important notice. Yeah, you can see on the label it says 4 pieces, exactly how many we need. I hope I'm not gonna cut myself. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. This is one. I think these are for the front, and the small ones are for the rear windows. Yeah. There's nothing in the box. I'm gonna put a box over here. We have a manual, important product information. They come with a manual like this. They're coming with a surface cleaner. I have some wipes. Yeah, they're coming with a surface cleaner and instructions. Okay, let's put this on the side. They have tape already on the back. They look really nice. They feel really nice. They're looking like a samurai sword, like a Japanese sword. Right hand. Yeah, this is for the right hand side. They're very nice packed. If you like this episode, please leave a comment below, a like and a subscription, and see you next time with another interesting episode.